Every end of the year, YouTube goes through a silent explosion. Views go up, search volume goes crazy, and people suddenly start looking for videos that help them plan, reset, and improve or restart at fresh. And here's the mistake most beginners make who want to start Faceless YouTube channel. They choose random niches, they upload anything, they waste time creating videos nobody is searching for, and at the end, the channel fails. But today, I'm going to show you 7 faceless niches that explode from December to January. I will explain why they are good niches to start now, share some few topics you can start in each niche, and in subsequent videos, I will show you how to create such videos, and that can help you grow much faster in the new year. And trust me, niche number 6 is not only has the highest CPM, it is also the easiest niche to start if you have never created a video before. Again, there is niche here for everybody. If you don't like niche number 1, then you will like niche number 2. Let's get into it. Now, before we start, I just want to say it doesn't mean that after this period, these niches will not be relevant again. No, but at this period, it gets the highest search volume and is the good time for you to get into it. The first niche is New Year motivation and self-improvement. This niche always blows up during December and January. The reason here is because people naturally want to reset their lives. You know, the year is over and there are some things that people want to change. At this moment, everyone is thinking of things like, next year will be different. I need better habits. I want to be more disciplined. And they go to YouTube searching for guidance. That is why videos like Habits to Start Before 2026, Habits to Transform Your Life in 2026, Things to Stop Doing in 2026. So this type of topics get high searches during this period and you can be part of it. And if you think motivational videos perform well, wait until you see niche number 2. This one has crazy search volume right now because everyone is planning their entire life for the new year. Niche number 2 is goal setting, Notion templates, and digital planning. This niche explodes every December because people love to organize their life before January. You will see millions of search for 2026 Notion setup, how to plan your goals for 2026, vision board tutorials. And here is the beauty of this niche. You never have to show your face. All you need is screen recording. Just record your laptop screen as you build Notion dashboard, planners, to-do lists, habit trackers, vision board. Example videos can be plan your entire 2026 in 20 minutes. People love these videos because they are very helpful. Now, if you are interested in the health niche, then this next niche is for you. Niche number 3, weight loss and healthy lifestyle. This niche explodes every January. People want to eat healthier, lose weight. The best part, you can create faceless videos. Example videos can be healthy meals for weight loss, 3 breakfast ideas to lose weight in 2026. Now, maybe cooking is not your thing or health is not you are not interested in health. Now, the next niche might be for you. Niche number 4 is quotes, affirmations, and mindset videos. This niche goes crazy in January because everybody wants a better mindset for the new year. You can create videos like morning affirmations for 2026, night affirmations, daily motivational quotes, new year mindset. This video gets high retention because people just watch them while they are getting ready for work, meditating, cleaning. They usually just play the videos in the background. Example videos can be affirmation videos to attract success in 2026. But the next niche is different. If you are interested in AI, then this next niche is for you. Niche number 5, AI recap and prediction for 2026. There are many things happening now in the AI space and things will continue to happen. You have seen this video everywhere of 2025 recap, top 10 AI prediction for 2026. So if you are interested in AI, you can give a rundown of what happened in 2025 and give a prediction of what can be happening in 2026. But here's something even better. The next niche does not only goes viral, it pays more than almost every other faceless niche. Niche number 6 is finance, budgeting, fixing your money for 2026, anything related to finance. This niche has the highest earning and insane January search demand. This niche is a gold mine, especially during January, because people want to fix their finance, especially after overspending during December. They search for things like how to budget in 2026, how to save money fast, beginner investment for 2026. Finance channels earn way higher CPM even if they are faceless. You can create videos using simple whiteboard animation videos like the one you are watching now. So if you want to learn and start on creating your own faceless videos, then subscribe, as I will be showing you step by step how to create them in subsequent videos. So example videos on this niche can be how to budget your money in 2026. Money habits keeping you poor this year. But maybe you want a niche that does not only get views but also make money even before you are monetized. That is niche number 7. But before we get there, please like the video if it was helpful. Niche number 7 is gift ideas, product review, and New Year deals. This niche is perfect for December to early January. People search for things like best gifts under $50, tech gadgets you need in 2026. These videos are faceless and you can earn affiliate income. A quick tip on how to create these videos can be, you can use product clips, product photos, or AI generated visuals, text plus voiceover. Example videos can be 5 products that will make your 2026 easier. So you can create these videos. At the end of the video, you put your affiliate link for people to buy using your affiliate link, then you gain affiliate commissions. Now here is a guide on how to choose your niche. For you to be able to choose a niche you can sustain, follow this guide. Choose the niche you can produce fast. Choose the one you won't get tired of. Choose the one that excites you the most. And remember, consistency leads to perfection. If you don't want to use your real voice, then you will need an AI voice to do all this. And you will need an AI voice that is unlimited. Check this next video.